In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Friends tab error. You are all caught up with reels your friends are into. If you're getting this error and can't see the liked reels on the Friends tab on Instagram, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Here it says that you are all caught up with reels your friends are into. That means all those reels that your friends actually liked, you have already watched. That means there is no video left that you can actually watch. So this problem commonly appears when you have watched all the videos that your friends are actually liked. So now to get more videos or more liked videos, you just need to wait some time, or maybe you need to wait a day, and later on you can see more videos on the Friends tab on your Instagram account. And this is how we actually can fix this. So if you find this very helpful, guys, if you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.